Hey everyone! Imagine converting handwritten notes into a clean digital PDF in seconds. Let's try this using Google Gemini. Click on the plus icon and choose Upload Files. I'm selecting my handwritten notes and giving the prompt, convert this into PDF in text format. Let's send it. And here's the first handwritten page. And the second one. Now Gemini analyzes the content and converts it into structured digital text. And here's the result: a well-organized summary with clear headings. Let's open the generated file. As you can see, it has converted the handwritten notes into a clean, readable PDF. Hope this helps. Try it yourself. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it.